Greetings, Michael. I'd like to purchase vacant churches building that you have on Barrancas Avenue, Pensacola, Florida. Nolan has been calling you, asking questions about this one. And I had a different property up the street we were working on in the past, and we found multiple different tenants for that property, especially coffee tenants that wanted to be on this street, in this corridor, but just couldn't get the pricing and terms to work on that particular property. Your property has much better pricing, and the building doesn't really fit what they're looking for. But I think we could change that. We could remove that building and build the building and the stack and the lineup, how some of these tenants would like to see it, and just make it really easy for them. So I would like to reach back out to those tenants and show them your property instead of the one I was working on up the street. I could make your building happen here. I could build it for you, rent it out to you, and make it really easy for you. So I want to do that to the tenants. For you, I'm asking for some time to work with those tenants and set it up, make it really easy so I can go build their building for them on your property. The timeline for it makes it a lot easier for me to pull off the deal if I can have a little bit of time to do that and to pay the price that you're asking for this property. So please take a look at my offer, take a look at the proof of funds that are coming along with it, and feel free to look me up. Feel free to call me too. My contact information is included. My YouTube channel here that this video is on has 1,000+ videos of all kinds of different real estate deals. You can look me up at county records. He's buying this one, he's selling this one. And you can match them up. You can see the numbers I buy and sell at all over the place, all across Florida and lots of different states, but Florida Panhandle as well. Pensacola is a fun market. So you try to figure out where the tenants are. It's a little different one. You go west of Texas and east to northern Florida and bring tenants from those places to Pensacola. So Pensacola is a fun market. But yeah, feel free to look at my tracks in the mud, my history. Feel free to call me, ask questions. I can tell you about other properties and other deals. And I love high traffic retail property. That's what I'm all about. I love studying the traffic. I like to see where the people are coming and going. I like to see how much time they're spending at these shops. When they're spending time at this shop, are they going to this shop? Are they going to that shop? If they're going to those shops, they should be going to this shop that's missing. I like reaching out to those shops that are missing and telling them about it. I like to show them when they're in a different town, they're going to your brand. Why aren't they going to your brand when they're at home in their own town? Because your brand's missing. Here's a place we could build your brand and could make your brand happen. You've already got loyal customers right there shopping at the neighboring shops. They're going to come to your brand too a lot more often if they're there on the retail area that they like to be in. So I love those sales pitches. I love negotiating with them, putting it together and financing it for them and making it happen. If you're interested in that kind of approach for real estate, please check out my other website. I got a link in the description below. It's a lot of like-minded people talking, comparing, looking at these kinds of properties together and working on them. We share tenants, we share contacts, we share structure, we share all kinds of advice, good and bad. I do live presentations pretty regular basis. So if you're interested in those, jump into the calendar and you can see my next presentation's coming up. I talk about different properties. I share and tell. People ask questions and I learn a lot from the questions that they come up with. Other people in the community show the different deals that they're into and ask questions and learn about things from a lot of different aspects. So that traffic driven, high traffic retail kinds of property with a data approach, real estate, for lack of better ways of explaining it, go to the link in the description below and see if those are your like-minded people. Hopefully I see you over there. If you like to just collect the rent on these kinds of properties, the rent depreciation, after the brand's in place, they sign some contracts, they're going to pay rent for 15, 20 years or something out into the future, hopefully a bunch of options and time above and beyond that. I have those kinds of deals too. I would like to pass those off as they're getting more fully cooked and recapitalize to be able to make more offers like this. Take vacant building or vacant land and turn it into more cash flow and assets that could go into the markets. I'd love to hear from you. My contact information is on willvacantland.com. My phone number is 760-274-7711. My email is luke@willvacantland.com. Feel free to reach out. And thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you in the next one.